In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password of your Shopify store in 2025. Keeping your store secure is critical, and updating your password regularly is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your business. Let's walk through the steps together. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner where your store name is displayed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to the Account Management section. Here, find and click on Security. This is where you can manage all of your account's protection settings. On the Security page, look for the option labeled Change Your Password and click on it. Shopify will now ask you to confirm your current password to make sure the request is legitimate. Enter your current password in the field provided. Next, type in your new password. For the best security, choose something strong, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Then, re-enter the same password in the Confirm New Password field to ensure there are no typos. Once you've double-checked your entries, click the Change Password button. Your password will be updated instantly, and your account will now be secured with the new credentials. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify password. By keeping it updated and strong, you're taking an important step in protecting your online store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on managing and securing your Shopify business.